Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you one simple exercise to help you open the chest and tonify the lungs. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. And if you would like to practice more breathing exercises to strengthen your lungs and the immune system, join me this Sunday on Zoom. Stand up nice and tall with your feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees and tuck your tailbone in. Begin by rubbing your hands together to bring the energy to the hands. Then place both hands on top of your chest. Gently circle around until you feel a pleasant warmth going into your chest. Keep your whole body nice and relaxed. Slow down your breath and bring your awareness to the chest area. Then pause and change the direction. Then make your hands into loose fist, bring to the heart. On an inhale, open your chest, spreading your fingers wide. Feel how your ribcage expands. Exhale, hands to the chest. Allow your chest to sink in and relax. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out and relax. Continue the exercise for another 12 repetitions, taking slow, deep breath in and out. This movement helps to stretch the intercostal muscles, creating space for the lungs. Deep breath helps to purge old, stagnant energy from the lungs and replenish it with vital, fresh qi. Make sure you really open those fingers to stretch the lung meridian that runs down the arm and into your thumb. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your whole body grounded. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands down and soften your entire body. Gently tap on your shoulder to loosen up. Shake it off and take a moment to notice how your body feels. Feel your chest being open, feel your lungs feeling full and healthy. Thank you for watching, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.